Hello viewers, welcome to Column Club Science Lessons. In this video, we will try to gain comprehensive knowledge over endoplasmic reticulum. If you watch this video till the end, you can gain knowledge on the following concepts. What is endoplasmic reticulum? What is the historical backdrop of endoplasmic reticulum? In which cells endoplasmic reticulum is present? What is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum and what are the functions of endoplasmic reticulum? Then why late? Let us watch the complete video. First of all, we will discuss what is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a kind of cell organelle. I think you all aware of organelles. Organelles are the fine granular structures which are freely floating in the cytoplasm of the cell. Here you can see the diagram. So it is a cell. Inside the cell, the cell is filled with a fluid called cytoplasm, and in this cytoplasm some fine granules are freely floating. They are called organelles. Here our endoplasmic reticulum is also a kind of cell organelle. Here endoplasm means fluid present inside the cell. It is nothing but cytoplasm. Okay. Here endo means inside, plasm means fluid. Endoplasm means the fluid present inside the cell. It is cytoplasm. Then reticulum means net. You can see here net shape or web shape. So reticulum means net. So endoplasmic reticulum means a kind of net form or web form cell organelle present in the cytoplasm of a cell. So I think you all understand what is meant by endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum is a kind of net form or web form cell organelle present in the cytoplasm of a cell. Now we will discuss the historical backdrop of endoplasmic reticulum. In the year 1900, the scientist Garnier for the first time discovered or observed endoplasmic reticulum along with some other organelles, and he gave the name ergastoplasm to it. Okay, so the scientist Garnier discovered endoplasmic reticulum including with some other membranous structures or some other endovascular structures. He gave the name ergastoplasm to that structure. Later in the year 1945, the scientist K.R. Porter, Keith Robert Porter, discovered the endoplasmic reticulum exclusively. Okay, excluding the other organelles, only endoplasmic reticulum was discovered by K.R. Porter. In the year 1953, the scientist K.R. Porter coined the term endoplasmic reticulum to this structure. Before that, scientists used to call it as alpha endomembranous system or beta endomembranous system or gamma endomembranous system or ergastoplasm or the other names earlier the endoplasmic reticulum has. Okay. Later, the scientist K.R. Porter coined the term endoplasmic reticulum. The present name endoplasmic reticulum was coined by the scientist K.R. Porter in the year 1953. So this is the historical backdrop of the organelle endoplasmic reticulum. Now let us discuss where endoplasmic reticulum is located or in which cells endoplasmic reticulum is present. Endoplasmic reticulum is present in all eukaryotic cells. Here U means having, karyo means nucleus. So eukaryotic cells means nucleus having cells. So all nucleus having cells, whether they are animal cells or plant cells, they contain endoplasmic reticulum. But in case of prokaryotic cells, endoplasmic reticulum is absent. Prokaryotic cells means, here pro means before, karyo means nucleus. So prokaryotic cells means the cells which are existing before nucleus. Otherwise we can say the cells in which nuclear envelope is absent or nucleus is absent. Of course, the nuclear material is present but the nuclear envelope is absent. Such cells are called prokaryotic cells. So in all prokaryotic cells, endoplasmic reticulum is absent. Apart from prokaryotic cells, in mature RBC of mammals also, endoplasmic reticulum is absent. So endoplasmic reticulum is present in all eukaryotic cells and it is absent in prokaryotic cells and mature RBC of mammals. Now we will discuss the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum is a kind of cell organelle which is bounded by a single membrane. So it is a single membrane bounded organelle. Okay, you know, mitochondria, chloroplasts, these two organelles are bounded by two membrane structure. Okay, so the outer covering of mitochondria or the outer covering of chloroplast contains two membranes. But here our endoplasmic reticulum is surrounded by or bounded by a single membrane only. Here endoplasmic reticulum is a part of endomembranous system. We can call endomembranous system as cytoplasmic vascular system also. So here endomembranous system means the membranous system present inside the cell. Endo means inside, membranous system. So this membranous system present inside the cell is called endomembranous system. And here cytoplasmic vascular system means the vascular system present inside the cytoplasm or present in the cytoplasm is called cytoplasmic vascular system. Here you can see this is nothing but endoplasmic reticulum and this is Golgi complex and these structures are nothing but lysosomes. All these three structures together called endomembranous system or cytoplasmic vascular system. This endoplasmic reticulum is a part of endomembranous system or cytoplasmic vascular system. The most important thing is the endoplasmic reticulum constitutes major part in the endomembranous system or cytoplasmic vascular system. Okay. This endoplasmic reticulum spread in between plasma membrane and nuclear membrane as a net. I think you are aware of plasma membrane. A membrane which surrounds cell is called plasma membrane or cell membrane. And also you are aware of nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope. The membrane which surrounds nucleus is called nuclear membrane. So here this endoplasmic reticulum almost spread in between plasma membrane and nuclear membrane. It appears like a net, already you know it. Then this endoplasmic reticulum almost occupies half of the intracellular space. So inside the intracellular space, this web type or net type endoplasmic reticulum occupies half portion of the cytoplasm or intracellular space. Here the space inside the membranous endoplasmic reticulum is called lumen. Very important one. Look at here. This is the space present inside the membranous endoplasmic reticulum. This space is called lumen. Okay. Lumen means the space inside the membranous endoplasmic reticulum is called lumen. Through lumen, the endoplasmic reticulum transports the material inside the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum, also known as intracellular transport system. It is otherwise known as intracellular transport system. It transports material inside the cell. How it transports? Through the lumen that it contains. So I think you understand what is lumen here. This endoplasmic reticulum can be classified into two ways. Let us see what are they. The first one is we can classify endoplasmic reticulum based on its form. And the second one is we can classify endoplasmic reticulum based on the presence of ribosomes. Let us discuss each and every one in detail. So here, based on its form, we can divide endoplasmic reticulum into three types. Okay, based on its form, we can divide endoplasmic reticulum into three types. They are: number one, cisternae, cisterna singular, cisternae plural. The second kind is vesicles. Third kind is tubules. That means in the entire endoplasmic reticulum, some portion exists in the form of cisternae, some part exists in the form of vesicles, and some part exists in the form of tubules. Let us see what are cisternae. So the long, flattened, unbranched and sac-like tubules which are arranged closely in bundles or in stakes. Okay, so the long, flattened, unbranched sac-like tubules are arranged in bundles. Here you see all the long, flattened, unbranched tubules are arranged as a form of bundle or stake or a pile. So this kind of endoplasmic reticulum is called cisternae. Okay. Then some part of endoplasmic reticulum exists in the form of sacs. Okay. Such structures of endoplasmic reticulum are called vesicles or vesicle form of endoplasmic reticulum. This is cisternae form of endoplasmic reticulum. Here the endoplasmic reticulum appears like a long, flattened, unbranched sac-like tubules which are closely arranged in bundles, and here they appear like sacs. So the endoplasmic reticulum structures which appear like sacs are called vesicles or vesicle form of endoplasmic reticulum. Then some part of endoplasmic reticulum exists in the form of branched tubules. This is called tubules or tubules form of endoplasmic reticulum. So here endoplasmic reticulum, some part exists in the form of cisternae, some part exists in the form of vesicles, some part exists in the form of tubules. But the most important thing is majority of endoplasmic reticulum exists in the form of cisternae. Okay, so cisternae is the major part of endoplasmic reticulum we can see. Then based on ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum is classified into two types. So now we will see according to ribosomes how the endoplasmic reticulum is classified. So the first kind is rough endoplasmic reticulum. In short, we can call it as RER. The second kind is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In short, we can call it as SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Here, first of all, we will discuss what is rough endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum on which ribosomes are attached or embedded is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Here you can see this central structure is nothing but nucleus. Okay, around the nucleus you can see cisternae form of endoplasmic reticulum. On the cisternae form of endoplasmic reticulum, you can find red colored particles. They are nothing but ribosomes. That means in this part of endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are attached. So it looks rough. So it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. This rough endoplasmic reticulum, also known as granular endoplasmic reticulum. So you see, rough endoplasmic reticulum has another name. It is nothing but granular endoplasmic reticulum. We can call it as GER, granular endoplasmic reticulum. Then the rough endoplasmic reticulum comprises two-thirds of the total endoplasmic reticulum. That means you can see this is nothing but entire endoplasmic reticulum. In this, major part is nothing but rough endoplasmic reticulum. But some part of endoplasmic reticulum we can't see ribosomes, and that part is very little when compared with the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So in the total endoplasmic reticulum, two-thirds, okay, constitutes or comprises rough endoplasmic reticulum. So whenever if you draw the diagram of a cell, you want to draw more amount of rough endoplasmic reticulum than the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This rough endoplasmic reticulum present more in pancreatic cells, plasma cells, goblet cells and endocrine gland cells. Of course, this rough endoplasmic reticulum present in all cells, but it is more in the cells which involve in protein synthesis. Example, pancreatic cells, plasma cells, goblet cells and endocrine gland cells. So this is the story of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now let us discuss smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum on which ribosomes are not attached or ribosomes are not embedded is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, we can call it as in short SER. You see in this picture, this part of endoplasmic reticulum does not contain any ribosomes. So it looks smooth and fine. So it is named as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This smooth endoplasmic reticulum, otherwise known as agranular endoplasmic reticulum. So the another name for smooth endoplasmic reticulum is agranular endoplasmic reticulum. In the total endoplasmic reticulum, this smooth endoplasmic reticulum comprises just one-third part. Okay, so two-thirds by rough endoplasmic reticulum. So only the remaining one part is comprised by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This smooth endoplasmic reticulum present more in adipocytes, sebaceous cells, retinal pigment cells and endocrine gland cells. So we can say the cells which involve in lipid synthesis contain more amount of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And the most important and interesting point is sometimes the rough endoplasmic reticulum converts into smooth endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum converts into a rough endoplasmic reticulum. It happens sometimes. Okay, so this is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. Now let us discuss the final topic, functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum is a medium for several metabolic activities. So, almost several metabolic activities occurs on this endoplasmic reticulum. So it is a medium for several metabolic activities or diyas for several metabolic activities. This endoplasmic reticulum involves in protein synthesis, especially rough endoplasmic reticulum involves in protein synthesis. Okay, in the entire endoplasmic reticulum, only a rough endoplasmic reticulum which contains ribosomes involves in protein synthesis. And in the entire endoplasmic reticulum, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum involves in lipid synthesis. So very important points. Rough endoplasmic reticulum involves in protein synthesis and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum involves in lipid synthesis. This endoplasmic reticulum helps in intracellular transport of substances. Already I told we can call endoplasmic reticulum as intracellular transport system. So because it transports substances inside the cell from one place to another place through its lumen. And this endoplasmic reticulum deactivates poisonous and intoxicating substances that entered into the cell or that are produced inside the cell because of microbes or because of some metabolic activities. Sometimes poisonous substances or intoxicating substances can be produced. Such poisonous and intoxicating substances are deactivated or neutralized by the endoplasmic reticulum. The most important thing is we should not drink poisonous or intoxicating substances. If we drink, our endoplasmic reticulum can't neutralize it or deactivate it. Okay, it can deactivate or neutralize very little amount of poisonous substances or intoxicating substances that are produced during metabolic activities or because of microbes, but not the large amount of poisonous substances or intoxicating substances consumed by us. So for our better health we should not consume poisonous substances or intoxicating substances. Okay, this endoplasmic reticulum gives mechanical strength to the cytoplasm or cell. Already you knew that in the cytoplasm half of the area spread by this endoplasmic reticulum as a net. So this net form endoplasmic reticulum gives some mechanical strength to the cell or cytoplasm. This endoplasmic reticulum can produce other cell organelles like Golgi complex and lysosomes. You see, some other cell organelles also produced by our endoplasmic reticulum. It helps in formation of cell plate and nuclear membrane. Okay, during cell division, after karyokinesis, the next stage is cytokinesis. For cytokinesis, a plate should form between between higher upper half of the cell and lower half of the cell. So this cell plate is formed by the endoplasmic reticulum. And also after this cytoplasmic division or the nucleus or nuclear envelope forms around the nuclear material. The formation of nuclear membrane takes place with the help of endoplasmic reticulum. So during cell division, for the formation of cell plate and for the formation of nuclear envelope around the new nuclei, this endoplasmic reticulum helps. And finally, this endoplasmic reticulum helps in the synthesis of visual pigment called rhodopsin. So our endoplasmic reticulum produces visual pigment called rhodopsin. Okay, so these are the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. So by watching this video, you all understand the following concepts. What is endoplasmic reticulum? What is the historical backdrop of endoplasmic reticulum? In which cells endoplasmic reticulum is present? What is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum? And what are the functions of endoplasmic reticulum? So I think you gained comprehensive knowledge over endoplasmic reticulum. Wish you all the best. Keep watching Kalam Club Science lessons. Wish you good day.